Defrosting diesel, a complete guide.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to address a common issue that many diesel vehicle owners face during the colder months of the year: gelled diesel fuel. The process of warming up and getting it back to its usable state can be tricky, but don't worry, we're going to cover everything you need to know. Remember, prevention is the best strategy, but if you find yourself with gelled fuel, there are steps you can take to remedy the situation.
What is gelled diesel fuel?
When temperatures drop, diesel fuel can start to gel or solidify. This is because diesel fuel contains paraffin, a type of wax that solidifies in colder temperatures. When the diesel fuel gels, it can clog the fuel filter and prevent the engine from starting.
How long does it take to warm up gelled diesel fuel?
The length of time it takes to warm up gelled diesel fuel can vary. This can depend on the severity of the gelling, the temperature outside, and the method you're using to warm up the fuel. It could take anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours to fully restore gelled diesel to a usable state. In extreme conditions, it may even take longer.
What methods can you use to warm up gelled diesel fuel?
There are several methods you can use to warm up gelled diesel fuel. 1. Use of diesel fuel additives. There are products on the market, known as diesel fuel additives, designed to lower the gelling point of diesel fuel. These can be added directly to the fuel tank and should start to work within 30 minutes to an hour. 2. Use of a block heater. A block heater is a device that warms the engine, and indirectly the fuel system. This can take several hours, but is a common method for dealing with cold temperatures in general. 3. Removing the fuel and heating it. In severe cases, you may have to remove the gelled fuel, heat it up until it returns to a liquid state, and then put it back in the tank. This method is time-consuming and should only be considered as a last resort. Remember, it's important to handle diesel fuel with care. Fuel additives and heaters should be used according to the manufacturer's instructions to avoid any safety hazards. Dealing with gelled diesel fuel can be a challenge, but with patience and the right tools, it's definitely something you can handle. Always remember to prepare your vehicle for the colder months as much as possible to avoid these problems. Using a winter blend diesel fuel or additives can prevent the issue from occurring in the first place. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide useful. Stay warm out there.